This August, the Philippine Dental Association Cebu Dental Chapter, together with its Board of Directors and Council of Past Presidents, are inviting its members to the 88th Annual Induction Ceremonies with the theme, The Dentist at its Best. The program will be held at the luxurious Cebu City Sports Club at 4 p.m. on the 23rd of August. Lecture, freebies, discounts, sumptuous dinner, and a revitalizing venue await the participants. For more information, please contact the Cebu Dental Secretariat at 268-2212 or visit our website at www.cebudentalchapter.webs.com. So, what are you waiting for? Don't be a stranger to your chapter. Join now!